Today I'm showing you some tips on how I remove my nails at home. I have my coffee, so let's get started. I like to remove most of the product off by cutting my nails first, and I'm being careful with my natural nails. And then I'm removing any charms or rhinestones off my nails. And just continuing to cut the rest of them. This part is so satisfying because you get most of the product off. And then I went ahead and filed off camera using my e-file. And then you're going to need pure acetone. And another tip is I love to rub a lot of Vaseline on my fingers and on the sides, just to avoid getting any pure acetone on my skin. It definitely dries my skin out so much. And then just to make sure, I also put some cuticle oil. You can never have enough moisture, especially in the winter. And now taking my paper towels, I'm folding those and applying pure acetone. And then just folding that at the bottom and then the sides. Another tip is I like to lower the foil just so that my fingers don't get irritated. And then I like to start off by applying on the thumb first, since that's the one that always has the most product. That way it can be on the longest. And another tip is I like to place my fingers down like this to avoid dripping. And then I went ahead and waited about 12 minutes. And it should start to lift. The product should be able to just glide off. You definitely don't want to push onto your nail plate. And that's why you get damage. So have some patience and gently remove it. I've definitely been getting better at this step. I remember like the first time that I did it and my nails were not it. They were damaged. But now I got this, and this is actually so satisfying to watch. Just being able to see all the gel glide off. And then look at the big difference from short to long nails. Another tip is I like to use a little foil and the paper towel to catch the gel. And then that way I don't have such a big mess. And then I like to use the clean side of the paper towel to wipe off any product. Just like this. We definitely have to recycle in this economy, so here I am doing my best. Then I'm applying some cuticle oil on my nails and just lightly buffing any excess product. The oil helps remove any product that's still on the nail plate. And once I was done, I went ahead and cleaned my area. And I went ahead and washed my hands. And here are the final results. We have little to no damage. And let me know if you learned or if you liked any of the tips that I gave you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for some more nail content. Bye.